Insulation Corporation of America, located in Allentown, Pennsylvania, has been a family-owned manufacturer of expanded polystyrene products since 1981. ICA founder Thomas Higgins passed his legacy on to his daughter in 2012. Since then, ICA has proudly received recognition as a woman-owned business.
Okay, my name is Sandy Pisacco. Well, actually, I'm one of the owners. I'm the vice president. My sister's the president. We manufacture EPS, expanded polystyrene. EPS is used in so many different applications that it's even hard to put a number.
You would be surprised how much you use this foam in everyday life.
Construction companies, they use it for insulation.
Also used as geofoam, which means it's a soil substitute.
We have foam in bridges.
It's inside concrete walls.
It's also used on houses,
We cut ceiling tiles.
the roofing,
It's in theater sets,
the packaging industry.
and signage, medications that need to be insulated and shipped.
You name it and you could probably find some foam there.
We actually collect the dust that is generated and make dust cubes, and that's also sold, and that's made into picture frames, park benches, and things like that. We take the scrap from our production, we take it back from our customer as well, and we put it in a grinder. It gets ground up, and then it gets put into a silo, and then that grind material you can actually recycle and make it back into the original product by just adding steam to it.
I can't even tell you how much I enjoy this job.
It's more family oriented here. They can actually take time out for us, and they do, and they take care of us here.
One, I love the people I work with, and two, I love that when I come to work, every day is something different.
And you can still progress. It's not something where you gotta feel like, well, if I work at a factory, that's all I am.
My unofficial title is Queen of Polystyrene because I do all the design work here.
So you can start out in an entry-level position and just keep learning at that company and just keep growing with the company.
I actually started in the plant and I worked there for a while, and then they realized that what they had in me, and they brought me to the office.
There's a great opportunity, not just this business, but every business out there.
That's what we call it here, foam world.
Really?
We do.